Welcome to Vernia Digital System. In this video, we are going to learn how to type Unicode fonts of Indian languages. Before that, I have to say something about typing software. All of us know we can type English in computer. It means in the Windows operating system, the English typing tool installed with itself. For the Indian languages, our central government Department of Indian Language Technology Proliferation and Deployment Center released the InScript, that means Indian script. Click on installer file nhmwriter setup.exe. Select your default language. It is nothing more. You can change your language setting anytime. Click on Create Desktop icon. Allow it to install as default. Finished. It installed and started ready to use. After installation, you can see in the screen a bell icon at the right hand bottom corner. Right click on bell icon and click setting. In the setting window, the default language which I selected at the time of installation shows the enabled position. I am disabling this option by uncheck. Here find Assam, Bengali, Gujarati, Hindi, Kannada, Malayalam, Marathi, Punjabi, Sanskrit, Tamil, Telugu. You can choose whatever you like, one or more languages. I am selecting Tamil. Tamil 99 key layout. Unicode fonts. Shortcut for this Alt 1. It is set and showed in top of all rows. Next, I am choosing Tamil phonetic layout, Unicode fonts, shortcut Alt 2. Next, Hindi phonetic layout, Unicode fonts, shortcut Alt 3. Click OK. Restart the application. OK. This setting is not necessary to do again and again unless if we need changes in language. Open your MS Office. Click on Body. In the MS Office, the font Arial Unicode MS is installed default. This font has many more typography. If we choose English typing tool, it displays the English. If we choose Tamil typing tool, display Tamil. Hindi typing tool for Hindi, Arab typing tool for Arabic, and etc. etc. I am choosing Arial Unicode MS first. Press the Alt key and then without releasing this, press number 1 key. This is set at the time of NHM key setting for Tamil 99 key layout. After Alt 1 key pressed, the bell icon will change to yellow color. The black show Tamil 99 key is active. அம்மா நீ நலமாக இருக்கிறாயா? Another one default font is Lada for the Tamil and Mangal for the Hindi. என் மதிப்புக்கும் போற்றுதலுக்கும் உரிய அன்னையே. The Tamil 99 keyboard image link, some Unicode font for Tamil and Hindi links are given below this video in the description box. I changed the typing key by pressing Alt 3 for phonetic Hindi. Mada, Pida, Guru. Ma. मुझे खाना दीजिए. By this tool, you may save your files in your native language. Whenever you open your application, you should start typing key. Same way, you can rename the folder and file. For typing in Adobe Photoshop, Adobe InDesign, we have released a separate video. Watch that. For CorelDRAW, you can type only 16 and above versions. No need any special setting for it. CorelDRAW 12, 13, 14, 15, you cannot type any code fonts. If this video is helpful, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.